Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is again another thrift store adventure day and I am going to pick up my mom. And if you've seen my videos before, you know she's a little bit camera shy, so maybe you will see her somewhere in the background, but not too much. So I'm now going to pick her up and then our thrift store adventure begins. Love these colors. It's 150, but it's all broken. Such a shame. This is pretty cool. I think this must be very old. This one is so beautiful. It's only 15 euro, but I really wouldn't know where to put it. It's really old. So I will show you what I got. So, receipt, I got this thing. And I don't know exactly what it is, but it was €1. And I thought it would be cool to paint this whole thing black and then do something with a hanging plant here. So I will think of a cool DIY for this one. Next thing I got was this one. Oh, focus, focus, focus. Yeah, hi. And it was €1, and there's a little bit of candle wax on here, but you can remove that. And it's just a very simple little thing, but I thought it would be very nice to give this another color and transform the whole look. So this is the second thing. And the last thing I did not thrift, but my mom did. So she got this for me. It's a whole lot of frames and different sizes. And she thought maybe I could do some cool DIY with this. So this is now also a part of my haul. So I paid €1 for this thing. This thing was also €1, but my mom bought this for me. And also the frames I got from my mom, so I only paid €1 today for this stuff. Now thank you guys so much for watching and coming with me on this thrift store adventure. And if you liked it, please push the like button. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. Hey. Wat zijn jullie lekker druk.